here's our 2021 summer beach vlog.
Make this the thumbnail! Besties, I'm currently helping my sister walk the dogs. Hence Jack over there, Jax, and Cooper's over there. We're gonna meet the bike squad, except no bikes this time, to go to Woodbine Beach. Hi vlog! We met at the bus stop. The bus is here now. See you later. Hey besties, we're at the beach now. There's so many people here. Like, I knew Woodbine was packed, not this packed. Oh my god, there's stairs. Purr! Not me take my time. Not everybody gonna see us at the beach. Yo, we out here for real. Not everyone barefoot when we're wearing shoes. Thanks for bringing a blanket, guys. Oh, hi vlog! We can't go to like a corner where no one is. Yo, it's packed in here. Oh my god, I didn't say in the vlog. Guys, second dose. We're gonna try to find you a man.
Maybe.
She's single.
She's not. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Bye. We found a spot. Still have my shoes on. Hold on.
How deep in the water are we going?
I can't swim for the life of me, so
I'd run.
hey guys. Hey vlog. They are. Okay. Oh my god, there's sand in my shoes.
Getting sand.
Hello guys. It's actually not that cold.
We were in the
drown.
Yo, she almost freaking. Mark dug this hole. Make sure went swimming with us. Arzeah, like literally almost. Why is there a black line? Oh my god, I'm a raccoon. I have a tissue somewhere.
How deep are we gonna
Tip: don't wear mascara to the beach.
I mean, waterproof. They lied.
It's a lie.
Wait, are we trying to fit?
Are you trying to like get Mark in there? We'll bury you.
We're digging a hole. Update, besties. We should have got the hairbrush. I'm telling y'all.
Yes. Honestly, we should have brought a brush, but like honestly, the beach hair. Beach hair.
Yeah, I'm getting this.
Oh my god, I've been meaning to say, welcome to a day in the life of the bike squad. One day we'll be those people in the boat. Where DK Mixshow will be.
Hey
We just saw Arzeah's ex-man.
But we said in the beginning that we don't want to see
Anybody?
anyone.
We know.
And the next thing you know, they're walking over there. But now
No, they were like, they were like standing by the group of people over there. Okay, anyways, here's where we at. Are you okay, Mark?
now they're just sitting there.
Make this the thumbnail.
Say hi to, oh my god. Say hi to the vlog, Mark. Hi to the vlog.
What's up? I can't breathe.
Besties. Okay. We left, got our bags.
What's up, gamer? Welcome, bro. Call me by my gamer tag, please.
Yeah, so there's bear people. There's way too many people.
Yeah. Show them how much.
Yeah, look at all the people, bro. You see the hill? Yeah, that's a lot of people, bro. Okay, what's up, gamers?
Look at this tree, guys.
Yeah, look at these three guys.
It's
bro. Dang.
Damn, it's amazing.
Dang.
It's part of nature.
Oh, look at this. It's called a park with a capital P. Capital P.
Yeah. But if it was the park, the T would be capital.
Exactly.
But park wouldn't be capital.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
So right now, we're walking on the dead trees.
Walking on the trees.
Pretty
Exactly.
chilling.
We're just chilling.
Yeah.
Besties.
Y'all hear that?
You guys hear that? 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's an ice cream
Smoke
truck,
on?
guys. Show them the ice cream
Yo,
truck.
guys, look.
It's an ice cream
Ice
truck,
cream.
guys. So show them the sky. Show them the sky.
What's up?
Look at the sky, you guys.
Yeah, guys. It's hella blue. Yo, what's up, gamers? There's a giant snake. Yo, excuse me. Can I touch the snake, please? Oh.
You want to touch my snake?
Yes. Yo. Nah. Yo, look at that, guys. It's a beautiful snake.
Wow.
Wow, that's crazy.
What did you say it again?
Yo, excuse me.
You want to touch
What do you say?
snake? Are you recording now?
Bro.
Okay, look at me.
Usher.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Don't move. Oh my god, wait.
That's
I think I
it?
did it. Oh my
What?
god, wait. I kind of did it. Zaya, do it.
What? You just like press it?
Damn, that looks
Yeah, you
hella
press this?
different.
This side.
Okay, go, Zaya.
Hey, besties.
Mitchell's getting all booed up.
You already know.
Get on, bruh.
Enjoy Arzeah. Curling my
That's how you do it.
eyelashes.
You shoot it to your eye.
Oh yeah, look, do you guys want to go back to our destination?
Yes,
Sure.
we'll walk back. Hey, besties. We're waiting for Major. I don't know where she is.
It's 3:40 p.m. and it's another beach day. Outfit check.
Okay, you go first. Go see your fit.
Shoes are Nike, Air Forces. Shorts from I don't know. Top from Shein. Jacket from Shein. And then bag.
My sister. Garage. My mom's. We'll get Major's fit check. We'll get Major's fit check.
We'll make sure. We're with Major. We're at the beach.
Oh, you're recording.
Hi.
Show the beach. Maybe show the water.
We're at the beach.
Arzeah made us walk down there, and then we came back.
Okay, but y'all saw the rock project. We're coming back here next time with painted rocks.
Yes.
Hey vlog!
Hey, bestie. Show the doggy.
Theresa, your feet.
Ready? Arzeah, you're such a snake. I was waiting for you to go down so then I would.
3, 2, 1.
So I'll make it faster.
Okay, so we were about to play cards, and this little dog
He's here,
came.
We got juice and chips. Look here, Mitchell, is that you?
Wait,
I got it from Fairview, but I forgot what store. Oh, it was a good song. Watermelon sugar. Hey, besties. A medium twist, cone, vanilla, slushy. Slushy, cherry slushy. Cherry slushy.
Hey besties.
We sat here and we got questions from our friends on Instagram.
Q&A with Arzeah,
Major, Theresa, and Grace.
Grace. Grace is right here.
First question is
from Jason. Who has had the best looking boyfriend or someone you talk to?
And
For worst looking?
best looking.
Oh. Sorry. Okay, best looking, not gonna lie. I'd say
For her?
for hers.
Really?
I say
I think I don't even remember properly. So
who's the worst out of hers? Worst?
well, who is?
Is old.
He's good looking, but I'm not gonna.
I'd say for worst for me, I'd say
Really?
yeah.
Wait, who?
No.
Yeah. No, that's the worst for me.
Yeah, I was gonna say that too. Okay. Loki. Look, he's in one of the three. Next question.
Oh my god, I didn't do it.
Who's the most attractive?
Who do we answer that? Oh, no. Most of you guys are really hot. So.
All the same. We're all very good looking.
And Grace.
Comment down below.
Yeah,
Grace too. Grace.
Really hot.
That way. That side. Major move closer to me.
Wait, which one?
Grace. One.
We have two Graces.
We have two Grace.
Yeah.
Put both right here.
This one's a really cute Grace. This one's a really hot Grace. So we got two
Period.
sides of her.
Jason said who's more gay.
Me. I already said that I'm gay, but
Now these are from Jimmy. Bestie. Jimmy said, when will Theresa grow? Right now. If you can lose any body part, what would it be?
what would I actually say for that?
My
This
left.
thinking process.
Next question. My left hand?
Hand? Oh, hand.
Okay, well then what are you gonna lose?
Fingertip.
My
Body
nail.
part. My nail, yeah.
My nail.
One of my toes, I think.
You need that to stay on the Major.
Fine.
Your toenail.
So what do I?
No, because I'm already insecure about my feet. You want it to be more? A toenail.
Oh,
That's what I said.
It's like this. You can do anything without a pinky.
Period.
So
Okay,
I'd
pinky.
say pinky. And probably left hand because I need my right hand.
If you could lose a sense, what would it be?
I think smell. Because I really want touch, and I want touch obviously. I can't really get rid of that.
Here. I was low-key gonna
wanna
say
hear.
taste, but I would go
I
with
need
smell.
taste.
Low-key
Important.
smell. Do you know how sometimes smell affects your taste?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so smell.
Thanks, Jimmy.
Out of everyone in the group, who are you the least close with?
Me, probably, right? I don't really talk to you guys that much.
I only say that because you don't answer
I
us,
don't answer
Major.
my phone. I don't answer anyone.
Please,
Until a week
before
later.
we got into careers class, I haven't talked to this girl since my birthday.
I had like one day with her for design class.
And then Major. But we're still close with Major.
Yeah, after like not talking for so long, guys, we did not have problems talking again.
Real friendship.
Yup. Next question.
If your boyfriend and your dad switched bodies, and the only way to switch them back was to one of them, who would you do?
I'm not answering that.
Off the bat, I feel like I would smash.
What can you just like? I feel like this sounds like really bad, but why don't you just make your boyfriend unconscious?
True.
It's like
Yeah.
You know, I heard someone did that, like at the
Ew.
morgue.
Ew.
oh yeah,
That's,
I
like,
searched
crazy
up
to
about
me.
that. I think you mentioned
She
it to
searched
me.
it up.
And then I was
Searched
like,
it up.
Yeah. I said something. If it wasn't unconscious,
I'd kill myself.
off the bat. No,
I
I
can't
don't know.
even
I don't know. The body or the mind? Your dad's gonna remember that you basically
Yeah.
like. Off the bat, I'd low-key say the dad's bod.
But then you'll know how your dad looks.
We're in the dark, but I'll wear a
Blindfold yourself.
blindfold.
Blindfold.
I'll make it dark.
Okay. Anyway.
I'll be like, don't talk.
next question. Next question.
Grace? Major move. Grace is asking. Grace is asking. Who's the worst out of Theresa's boyfriend?
Okay.
Only-
Okay. We did looks
Like
wise.
in all. Like
Yeah.
in all.
Actually, I don't. I wasn't around. So, era. We're bleeping that out.
Y'all were close, but like
What happened?
kind of.
Liar. Bunch of lies.
Okay. Well, I think, and secondly, and I didn't really like. Or. Cause. But yeah. So he's the worst.
Sarah, who do you think?
I'll just
Okay.
for overall.
That's all the questions.
That's all.
Thanks for coming. Grace, say bye. Okay. Oh yeah, on the way home.
Bye, guys.
Bye,